Are you wondering how to create this really cool canvas on Spotify, going from this with your regular album cover to this, which is a really cool small loop of a video that you can create yourself, customize yourself? I'm going to guide you guys through this video how to create that, how to upload that, and how to also publish it on Spotify. So if you guys are new here, my name is Alex. I upload a lot of videos about how to distribute music using like DistroKid or even TuneCore as well, depending on which one you prefer, to get your music out on Spotify, how to get featured in playlists, how to set up your artist profile, everything like that. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss out any of these videos every single week that we are uploading. So with that all the way, let's start creating this really cool canvas right after the intro. Alright guys, so our first track is live on Spotify, or your entire album, or you just have your entire album or song up for Spotify for quite some time, but you just want to update your look on when each song is playing. You have this really cool function which is called a canvas to replace your existing artwork to just this really cool, I think it's maybe a 10 or 15 second video, I'm not exactly sure. How this essentially works is you can go and edit a really small video of whatever footage that you have, if it's you playing the actual song, or if it's just if you're in a band, you can just use a clip from your band playing a song or that exact same song. And what you can do then is in your editing software, you can go and create this resolution where it's like an Instagram story type of resolution, which is 9:16. To go ahead and edit, you can add in all kinds of effects such as light effects, really cool transitions to really make it stand out. You don't have to use all just these standard jump cuts. You can just use really cool effects to make this really cool canvas come to life as well. So once that is finished, you can just email that video to yourself, and then what you're able to do is just go and upload it onto Spotify. So once everything is finished and you've created the video, how this essentially works is email it to yourself on your phone, and then you can just go to the Spotify for Artists app, and then they will just have this function where you can click on Canvas, and then you can just upload the one. It will show you a preview as well, and then once you hit upload, you can just I think you have to wait maybe just a couple hours. It doesn't really take days or weeks to update. I'm not really sure exactly how long it takes. I would actually just give Spotify just up to 48 hours to update. I would just check back once every day to make sure that the canvas is uploading. If everything is uploaded successfully, it will go from this, just a standard album cover, to this, which is looking really cool. It is just a really small thing that makes your song look a lot more cool. You can even have like a certain storytelling in your canvas. Now, of course, if you're wondering how to make a canvas, we're going to cover that in the next video. We're going to go to our computer, to our editing software, to create this canvas in the right resolution, in the best quality possible. But if you already have one, or if you just have a regular small video on your phone that you want to use without any kind of effects, this is how to upload it onto Spotify. So it's a really short video, but there's nothing more to it. If you have a video ready and you go to the Spotify app and you upload it onto the artist page, onto the canvas, it just takes maybe a day or something like that, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing complicated. I think the only complicated part to this is, creating one on your editing software and making sure everything looks perfect. And once that is done, you can just export it, email it to yourself, upload it through your phone to the app, and that's pretty much it. So guys, if you enjoyed this really short video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Every single week we are covering a lot of different topics about how to distribute your music, how to optimize your artist profiles on Spotify, on iTunes, on Apple Music, everywhere you can imagine. So that's it, and I will see you guys in the next video.